Yo, Slim is tuning back again with another video. In this video, I'll be mounting and balancing tires on these SIs and throwing these SIs on the car. Originally, I wanted to completely restore these SIs before I put the tires on and putting the whole wheel setup into the car. But winter's coming and it's coming real fast. Right now it might be nice because of climate change, but next week, well, not even next week, probably like 4 days from now, it's going to be snowing, and I cannot get any grip with this right here. Literally just simply getting in first gear and trying to drive, it'll skirt a little bit. Got no grip at all. These tires are spinning from first, second to third gear. That's how bad these tires are. But yeah, so right now I'm gonna clean the hell out of these rims because the inside of these rims has a lot of gunk on it, so I'm gonna scrub the shit out of it in a tub or something. Throw these tires on the car and test drive it. But yeah, I'm gonna just get to cleaning these rims. I'm not gonna show video footage of it because it's easy to scrub down rims with just some soap, you know, nothing crazy. So yeah, I'm gonna do that right now. But yeah, I'm not gonna do nothing too much on the outside. I'm not gonna clean it like crazy on the outside. I'm gonna just mainly clean on the inside of the rim so that this don't really got much. This do. So it's this one and this other one. I'm gonna clean the hell out of it, make sure all the gunk and everything is off, so that when I get the tires mounted on the rim, it would be flush fitment. It wouldn't be no leaks or nothing. It will hold its air like it's supposed to. And these are the Toyotires that I bought a little while ago. It's been sitting in the basement just collecting dust. So now I gotta take them out, yo. All season tires. I'm gonna need them for the winter because where I live at, it's gonna be snowing a lot. But yeah, I'm about to get to doing it. I'll be right back. Whoop, I know I said I wasn't gonna record this process, but I'm gonna just time lapse it real quick and just finish it up and get to mounting the tires into the wheels. I don't know if you can tell the difference or not, but this rim is definitely way more shiny than this rim. This rim is still beat up. It's not clean yet, but cleaning it itself definitely made a big difference. It still like have clear coat failure and all that, but after cleaning it, definitely look a lot more shiny than this rim. Even the sides. Definitely a big difference after cleaning the rims. This is way cleaner, shinier. It's definitely still have a shit ton of gunk still. So yeah, I'm gonna finish the rest of the rims and I'm gonna bring it to the shop. I'm gonna have this rim look as good as this rim. As you can tell, as you can see, once I get closer, all the damn gunk is still there, the sticky stuff is still there, so I'm gonna have to sand it down. This is the second time I clean it actually, so now I'm gonna just get into sanding the rim and get all the sticky part off. Yeah, this is how the inside of the rim looks now, the one that I just sanded down. I couldn't get everything off, but I got most of the stuff off. Everything else was pretty much stuck on it really good. It's nice and smooth now. And I also finished cleaning and hand drying all the rims. But yeah, let's get to it. Alright, all the rims are already loaded up. Also got all the tires already loaded up in the car. Now he's got to bring all the tires and a rim to the shop to get them mountain balanced. Let's get it. Let's get to it. Alright, so unfortunately the mechanic shop that I went to, they're too packed right now and they won't be able to mount and balance my tires. It's the next day and it's been like raining all night, I believe, so it's really wet out. But yeah, the rims and the tires are still loaded in the car. Alright, we're here. Better see if they could do my wheels or not. Hopefully they can. But yeah, let me park up real quick. Damn, it's bumpy as hell. It's 10:46 and they said I have to wait till 11. So I'm gonna wait until 11. I told them like I'm gonna record a time. Like, say, alright, that's cool, no problem.
A few moments later.
Huh? Yeah, I'll take a receipt. Damn, I'm low on gas and I'm low on battery on my GoPro. It's looking slow. Alright, it's the next day because yesterday started pouring like crazy. I didn't want to put the wheels on. What's the point when it's pouring? So all the wheels are all set. They look pretty dirty, got a lot of dust on it. So I'm about to just use that hose over there and just spray everything down. I just stand up all the wheels against the car to let the wheels fully dry, and then we'll put the wheels in the car. Well, so far the fitment is looking beautiful. I'm gonna just go ahead and do the other side in the rear, and I'm gonna drop the car down and see how it's looking like in the back. I'm gonna drop it right now. Let's see how the car's sitting in the back with the SI wheels. Okay. Looking like a fire fitment. Just gotta clean up the rails and restore it once it's springtime again. But you know, winter time is here. About to start snowing. I need some good wheels if I'm planning to daily drive this car, so that's a start. I need grip. My tires shine the tires if you even noticed. But yeah, it's looking a lot shinier than it was before. I tire shine the other tires too, but I'm gonna get to tire shining these front tires. You know what I'm saying? Tire shine, well, tire wet. Spray this down, use a towel, any sort, and just pretty much spread it so it looks nice and shiny. But yeah, I'm gonna finish tire shining these two wheels and then putting the wheels on the front. This is how it's looking like right now. This is how it's gonna look after I put the SI wheels on. Yep, and the fitment is looking really nice, but this rim specifically is the most messed up, curved, scratched up rim with clear coat failure that it looks so ugly. But like I said, I gotta do what's mandatory. It's not mandatory to restore the rims at the moment, especially going into winter. So I just need to put on some good tires. Now that I got some good tires, I guess mission accomplished. Looking beat up, son. Really beat up. But this other rim on the other side, it's actually looking pretty mint. This rim is actually looking pretty mint compared to the other one. This one looks pretty nice. I think it's the best looking one out of all four. But fitment's also looking good, you know what I'm saying? It's looking really good with the new tires. Well, no more stillies. I don't got no more stillies with bad tires in the car, so that's an accomplishment. You know, step by step, slowly but surely, you know what I'm saying? Alright, so now that everything is on, I'm gonna go test drive the car with the new tires and see if it spins in every gear or not. Yeah, I want to show you guys, this is the grip I'm driving on. Some of the treads are non-existent. Shit almost gone. And this right here, same thing. Some of the tread is just like almost completely faded out. There's mad cracks on the tire. Same with this one. All terrible tires I was driving on, but at least I got brand new tires right now.
Where there's too much hot potholes. You should have did it on the left lane. That's dangerous.
I wanted to, you know, see how the coilovers could do it too. The air fuel ratio is bad. It's running lean right now. Let me get into gear. K24 bottom, K20 head, if I could get that. She's not letting me get in, it pisses me off. Gripping up with that. right now. I don't want to overstress the engine.